It's the Cobry Cafetiere of cloud knowledge. Oh yeah.
A lot of big cloud chat is revolving around GCP, which is Google's cloud product, Azure, which is Microsoft's cloud product, and AWS, which is Amazon's cloud product.
One of the purposes you can use Google Cloud Platform is for the compute service, which just lets you rent out Google's computing services that they've created. You know, their servers, their storage space, and the power of their machine.
That's essentially what GCP is for. You host your app on GCP, and then you pay Google to host it for you instead of paying your local engineers to maintain your server that's in your basement. That could go down at any time. Whenever there's a power cut, whenever there's a data loss, you're responsible for that. You're offloading that work to Google. Who's GCP for? Any organization that basically wants to save costs and save money on compute space and not worry about compute space.
That bit was the key bit. It's the compute space, right? So it's any companies that have to host their infrastructure on compute space. I guess any type of data company would be a great candidate, right?
Helps for like scalability and things, right? So if you're going to be, maybe you're a website provider, or you've got a website that has a bit like a seasonal peak, like each year, like in the build up to Christmas, or there's a particular event that you're going to have a crazy amount of traffic, and you want to be able to scale up for that particular month, but not necessarily maintain all that compute power all year round. Then using the cloud would make a lot of sense for you to not be spending crazy amounts all the time, but just for when you need it.
Benefits of GCP, is that what you're talking about, Victor? The scalability, that it's so
That's
easy.
what I'm talking about. Benefits of GCP, scalability.
Right.
Yeah, you're a small
Old school
company.
style, right? You have to buy a box, right? And you have to pay an IT company to come in and install the box. This is like Wes's era. He knows about this stuff. But in GCP, because it's all virtual, it's just sliders that you're playing with. There's no need for an IT company to come in. Wes is sitting in the office there. They have to disturb him. He has to stop working for a little bit. Company goes down for a little while. You just set the slider up. Wes continues working. He has no need to complain about can he work. He just keeps going. We keep him working away. And we get that increased scalability easily.
It's almost like it's a way of responding to the market, right? And with Google Cloud and with just cloud services in general, we're not talking Google Cloud specifically, the scaling happens for you.
Particularly if it's like the kind of startup like culture that there is just now, like being able to avoid the big investment of like new servers and getting that infrastructure put in place. You can get up and running like for just a regular monthly fee, right, with no big setup costs.